Trust me a little bit.
Oh yeah, look what happened last time I trusted you.
Guys, your dad.
We were trying to go fishing. I let Ty dry for 5 minutes.
Hey, I was trying to start it, and I think I flooded it.
Done seized up the troll at
You
Ty.
want it
I
up?
don't
Chica,
think we're
come
going
here.
anywhere.
Let me
You know,
up.
sometimes on the internet you just have to troll. So,
All right, Ty. We're going down with the ship.
it's nice knowing everybody.
Somebody can play the Titanic song. Sing song.
There, now we can say I rescued it.
All right, so you don't need your own boat. You just need a friend with the boat. And looks like I need a new friend.
Yeah.